Tulips cotton buds, 80 pieces, 45 rupees price. Available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon, Flipkart. This is non-sponsored video. Made in India product. Sustainable and biodegradable cotton swabs. Eco-friendly, ESC certified. Note: cotton buds can damage the inner ear. It's not just pushing wax down into the ear. Although they may seem soft to the touch of your fingers, in a sensitive space such as the ear, they have a lot of potential for damage. Basically, it's used for cleaning outer side of the ear, which is visible for us, and can also be used to apply cream on the blemishes, ideal for applying and removing makeup and cleaning around the eye area. Please do not insert into the ear canal or the nose. Here is my review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. Yes, I use this for makeup and cleaning purposes, for application of any product, and also to clean the outer side of the ear. Yes, very good quality. I had bought this product from the supermarket. Got much discount there. Very useful.